Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about step 26 of your 28-point furnace inspection and tune-up. Step 26 is test and inspect the furnace ignition system. There's multiple types of ignition systems. Some furnaces have a standing pilot, some furnaces have a spark ignition, some furnaces have a hot surface igniter. All of them need to be inspected because if it's not working right, the furnace will never light. If it doesn't light, that means no heat. That means the family's unhappy. You're calling us upset because you're probably getting yelled at because somebody's cold. And we got to rush out to your home and hopefully we can get it fixed. So inside of this particular system is a hot surface igniter. When the system goes to come on, it sends power to the igniter. The igniter glows orange. The fuel goes across it and it ignites. Maybe you've got a furnace that has click, click, click before it starts. So it's similar. It doesn't have a standing pilot light. We send power to it. It has an arc in the clicking noise. It ignites the flame, then it lights the pilot and makes the system run. Those things need to be checked and made sure they're working right. They have a bimetal inside of them. It needs to be producing its energy to make sure the equipment's running right. It's part of the control system. And we need to make sure that it's all doing what it's supposed to. Then you get the old standing pilot lights. Those ones are my favorite. PG&E says that a standing pilot light costs you anywhere from $8 to $12 a month to have it just sit there and burn fuel. If you ask me, that's a waste of money, but we need to make sure that that pilot's not too big or too small and then can't ignite because then you get the big boom before the furnace comes on. We want to make sure it's not standing too tall because then you're wasting even more money and more fuel with that standing pilot light. We want to come out, we want to make it right, we want to check it and make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to. Because if the ignition system inside here fails, that means no fire, that means no heat. Then that means everybody's uncomfortable, frustrated, you can't get somebody out right away, you're not comfortable anymore, and if it is working right, it could also cause you high utility bills. So please get your maintenance done on an annual basis like it's supposed to be. Call in, get your tune-up done, set up a maintenance program, and move from there. It's very important. It's checked every year. See you on the next video.